up, guys? Steve here for Car Break NL. We're getting ready for 3 breaks tonight. The first one starting us off was supposed to be last night. I had to postpone it, so appreciate you guys' patience. It is FOD Box Mixer 728 coming at you right now. And here we are, live and ready to go. Live. Good luck. It is 9:02, just turned 9:03, and we got Adam all the way down to Brandon. We got a couple of first-time breakers with us as well, so welcome aboard, Anaheim and Winnipeg. Good luck, guys. 1, 4 randoms as always. 2, 3 is a timestamp. We give you timestamps on 3 and 4 just to be safe. Here's your third. Third timestamp says it is at 9:03. 9:03, last and final will do it for us. Timestamp on 4 says it is 9:03, and 9:03 it is. So let's copy these over. LA is on top of the list. LA to Carolina. And Colorado to Calgary. There is your teams. Now let's do the names. 9:03 still, and Adam to Brandon. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Oops. Wrong timestamp. Wrong spot. Timestamp on 3. It says 9:04. 9:04. Last and final will do it. Fourth and final timestamp is at 9:04 and 9:04. Copy them over. Brandon, you started on the bottom, finished in spot 1. Tony's at the halfway mark. Tony's breaking with us first time. Mike to Adam. Here's your teams, guys. We'll post them. We'll see you in less than a half hour. Best of luck in the mini break or the FOD Box Mixer.